Winning or losing is but a process. What have you learned? And what did you expect when you entered the Big Boss?
Oh, I would like to start by saying that I did not lose. I won. I won a lot of hearts.
Uh-huh.
I am in the top 5, so I consider myself a winner.
Of course.
Yeah. And what was the other question?
What did you think when you entered the Big Boss house? What was the thought process? Like, why did you say yes?
Oh, okay. I just wanted to come out of my comfort zone by doing something that I've never ever done or even imagined that I'd do. Being amongst like strangers.
I know.
So that, and the only thing that I came in with was the thought that I should just be myself, because you can't fake things for a very long time.
Long time,
So thank God
yes.
I was myself, and people loved me for that. So grateful.
So we can, the Janta can consider, because they've seen you also, that you've been yourself. That's the best way to be there. What is your personality now? What changes do you find now after coming out of there? Have you changed? What have you learned? Have you learned fighting? Have you learned arguing?
I think
Such a simple, docile, polite-looking, cute little girl. What have you learned?
I have
The negatives.
the negatives.
Yeah.
The negatives. So this is what I was telling Shilpa ma'am one day. कि when we see somebody, we only learn the positives,
Wow,
not
very
the
good.
negatives.
Very good.
Like so negative things. Ulta, I would say, because I've seen a lot of people shout and fight. That is something that I would not like to do.
Very
अब जब तक situation गले तक ना आए.
हाँ.
So that is something. I didn't learn anything negative. No. Yeah.
Okay. So how do you look when you return back? You live in
I live in Bombay.
Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay. Since how long have you been living?
So 2018 was when I came.
Okay. What
But
have you been doing?
I kept on like traveling back and
Commuting back and forth.
yeah.
How do you? What were you doing? Just for the.
I
this thing
started
for me?
with ads, and then nothing was happening, so I moved back to Arunachal, Pasighat, and then I got a call from Bansali's logo.
Yeah.
Then I came back for Gangubai, and then lockdown happened.
I've seen you in that.
Yeah. Chota.
Chota.
Yeah.
But now I realize, yeah.
And then and then lockdown happened. I went back again, and then Badhai Do happened. So I came back and few more projects.
Yeah, but I do also, I remember. So year after you become a personality to reckon with, and you have really excelled as a person, and your persona has just popped up.
Thank you.
While being in Big Boss.
So nice of you to say
Yeah.
that. Thank you.
So now hereafter, do you think after working? After working, participating here, how do you look at your journey? Hereafter, will you be doing more of reality shows, or will you be doing films? How do you look at it?
I know nothing as of now, but whatever comes. I'll be happy to take it.
Take it.
Take everything.
Yeah, सब ले लो. जो
सब ले लो,
मिलता है
जो
सब
जो
ले लो.
मिलता है, सब
किसी को
ले
नहीं छोड़ने. Okay, what message would you like to give to the fans? You did get a lot of support from your
I
fans.
did, yeah.
Yeah.
So honestly, I was thinking that only people from Northeast will support me, but I'm amazed and surprised to learn that भारत ने पूरा प्यार दिया.
बहुत प्यार है.
बहुत प्यार दिया. So I'm so thankful and grateful. Thank you so much. और आप लोग डिसअपॉइंट मत होइए ट्रॉफी नहीं आया करके. मैं टॉप 5 में आई, बहुत बड़ा बात है. आप लोग की वजह से आई. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Any talks with Salman Khan? His film also had a Northeast. That film, I'm forgetting that name.
Tube Light.
Yeah.
Tube Light.
Yeah.
The kid is from my Pasighat.
Yes. I spoke to him. Such a cute little girl. So. Have you had any discussions about
Not
it?
really, not
really. How do you look at Salman's this thing, as a host?
Amazing. He's like every day he used to, not every day, every weekend he used to come and he used to give us good
good dose.
Yeah, that was
एक
very
वीकेंड
nice.
का वार जो आपको डोज मिला हो और आपने कुछ सीखा हो उससे? हिंदी में बोलिए.
एक दिन जब मैंने अविनाश के लिए कुछ बोला था तो उसमें थोड़ा सा मुझको डांट पड़ा था. आई थिंक जस्ट दैट. और इतना डांट नहीं पड़ा. डांट
सीखा,
खाने का,
क्या सीख ली?
डांट खाने का काम नहीं किया. क्या सीखा? ये सीखा कि कुछ पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता तो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay, Karan, you get a good friend, Karan. So what is the definition for you about a friend? A friend is in need is a friend indeed. What would you like to say? Because
Definitely.
you don't get good friends, you know. Well,
Definitely.
what would you like to explain friendship as in one line?
In one line.
Or two lines, as more, but just I mean, yeah. What is friendship to you? A friend in need is a friend indeed.
That only says
So
everything.
you
right?
add something.
Sorry.
What is friendship to you?
Friendship is something that helps you tackle a lot of situations in life, and you do need good friends to overcome situations.
Your friendship with Karan is going to be there.
The friendship will
Of
always
course,
be
there's-
there. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.